Yazi ngesikhathi ngizwa ukuthi kunama MK lawa arekholiwe from parliament, from being ama-members of parliament lawo 18, ngwadabukelile. Ngasho ngathi le nto eyenzeka kuyona ibuhlungu. Ngoba uhlobo lwento engeke ngilifisele omunye umuntu. Yabo lonto leyo. But until ngaze ngezwa indaba ezithi sebethathe umkhonto wesizwe bawusa kephi bawusenkantolo. Hayi manje sengishintshile-ke manje sengithi hayi kanti balayeka ke. Kwenziwe kahle futhi ukuthi barecallwe. Clearly they are not disciplined and they are not loyal to umkhonto wesizwe. Uyisa kanjani organization oloyal kuyona to court? Noma ngabe kuthiwa ke bafila aggrieved kanjani, but to take i-organization abafungile ukuthi baloyal kuyona bayise enkantolo, hayi ngeke ngiyala mina ngiyala. It cannot be. Bafethu as-understandeni yabo. U-2026 uyeza, abanye benu banama aspirations okuba amakhansela, izmeyara and so forth and so on. You have those aspirations and you are allowed to have those aspirations, but understand ukuthi if you attain lawo ma positions from deployment ye-organization, i-organization reserves a right to recall you whenever it sees fit. Yayizwa lonto. Ngibonile abanye bebhala ukuthi labantu labo ubuntu kanti buphi, labantu sebezophila ngani. No. Ngiyakuzwa lokho, ngiyakuzwa. It's a genuine concern, it's a humane concern. Yabona lonto le. Kodwa khona phela if uthatha a political position, a political appointment, understand ukuthi that is a risk. If you resign from your, mina nje ngiyimina ngeke ngize ngiresign from my permanent post, even if you say Linda Mkhonto come and be the mayor, I won't resign. I can't take that risk because I don't have a backup. I don't have ama connections that are very deep that would enable me to get another source of income should I be recalled. Now, it's not the problem of the organization ukuthi mase ngirekholiwe mina ngiphila kanjani. I took a risk. Remember, I took that risk. Yabo? Lento leyo ukuthi sigijimela ama political positions kumele siyeke. Yabo? Kumele siyeke ngoba manje uma ngabe organization isi exercise its prerogative, isiyalwiswa manje sekuthiwa ye labantu bazophila ngani, bayithatha manje bayise enkantolo. It means they are now entitled. Bese be entitled kulama positions lawa. Lama positions sekwawa awabo. Ngoba phela lama positions awe organization, no one amongst them was voted. They were appointed by leadership core of MK ukuthi baye eparliament, babe kwi-parliamentary list. Uma ngabe futhi leadership isibona kufanele ukuthi baphume, inkingi ikephi lapho? Inkingi ikephi? Yabo? Ngoba phela if you, my argument is that if you take a political office, you must understand that it does not have permanence. It does not have permanence. So if you are going to take, if you are going to take a risk, and leave your job because uzohola nangala, then you must have another backup. You must have another backup. Mina I won't. Mina uma ngase kuqhamuke iproposal ethi Linda Mkhonto shiya emsebenzini uyoseva kanje ngoba nama conditions, ngeke ngize ngishiye nje kalula ngoba maninike. I cannot do it because uma ngabe sekwenzeka sengirecallwa ngizobe sengidlani ngoba phela mina kuyimanje nje lo msebenzi yona kuphela isource of income enginayo and ngu hand to mouth vele. Uyabo lonto le. It's not ukuthi mhlambe nginama savings deep angangilasta for at least mhlawumbe unyaka wonke ngikwazi ukusurvive. No, if nje kuwukuthi kuyaphela kule nyanga next month ngisenkingeni. Yabo? Senkingeni. So on those bases angeke nje ngize ngishiye umsebenzi ngiushiyele for a non permanent appointment. No. Unless if kune insurance. Unless if kune insurance. Yabo? Unless if there is insurance, I will not. So into engizama ukisho la ukuthi one, if you take umkhonto wesizwe to court because it has recalled you from parliament, you are saying umkhonto wesizwe was wrong for doing that. No, MK was not wrong for doing that. MK was not wrong for doing that. Inkinga wena usuke waba entitled. Yingakho usubona ukuthi kumele uhambe enkantolo. Umkhonto wesizwe uya-attackwa ngapha nangapha nangapha. Nawe obukade zolo lokhu ufunga ukuthi uyawuthanda umkhonto wesizwe, ugxeka abantu abawuyise enkantolo, wena usuyawuthatha futhi usuyise enkantolo. Nina nama-hypocrites nina. Khuluma-ke nalabantu abawu-18 ekuthiwa bayise umkhonto. Anyone who takes MK to court is a hypocrite, and that person has never loved MK. Abantu abathanda MK noma ngabe kuthiwa MK wenzani kubona mhlambe okunegative, angazi ngabe sekunjani lokho, but they must never take MK to court. They must never take MK to court. They must just ongcono bawuyeke nje uqhubeke nokuphila, bangawuthathi bawuyise enkantolo. Manje MK sekumele uspend ama resources awo ke uhambe uyodila nalamacala lawo ngenxa ukuthi kunabantu aba entitled to ama deployments. Hayi ngeke bafowethu, ngeke. Ngeke. Ingakho ngithi mina good riddance, because through this we have identified ukuthi labantu laba they were bluffing when they said they were loyal, and when they said they loved umkhonto wesizwe, and when they said they were disciplined cadres of the movement. They were lying. They are not disciplined. They are not disciplined. Njengamanje bona futhi sebe bring this organization into disrepute. Akusekho consistent with the kind of love that they've professed before. Bona inkinga abantu abayeke ukufuna ama positions. Abantu abayeke ukufuna ama positions. Yabo? Abayeke abantu ukufuna ama positions bafowethu. Asikhulume lokho ngoba lonto leyo yenza ukuthi ibulala inhlangano. Ngithi yabo njengamanje labo bantu labo ngoba phela vele sebenze kanje, obviously labo bantu labo they are now going to bazokwenza njani, bazoqala nabo babe faction thizeni. Angithi kusho ukuthi phela ngoba phela izinto ezihlezi zenzeka kanjalo. Kodwa sinishilo nina, sinishilo sathi nina athi ngithule futhi ngingakhulumi kakhulu. Kodwa ke ingane zakwethu ke ngizama nje ukusho bafowethu ukuthi asimusa ukugijimela ama positions nje kalula, singa understand ama risks that are associated with positions. And we must also understand and accept ukuthi if an organization has appointed you or has deployed you, that organization has a right and a prerogative to recall you from that appointment or deployment. Uma ngabe usurekholiwe ke wena, don't go to court uzama ukuyo interdicta manje izinto. No. It's not about you. Wena usho ukuthini wena? Are you telling us ukuthi wena kusho ukuthi bekumeleke wena uyekwe kuze kuphele 5 years noma ngabe kuthiwa kuyabonakala ukuthi kunesidingo sokuthi urecallwe? Hayi ngeke bafowethu, ngeke. Angeke sikwazi phela ukusebenza kanjalo. Siyacela ukuthi abantu abathatha ama appointments, strategic appointments, political appointments, or lama appointment azoholela isikakhulukazi ngoba engazuthi inkingi ilapho, ukuthi sicela ukuthi ba understand ukuthi lawo ma appointments lawo akuwona wabo, bengafaka amazipho kulawo ma appointments ngoba they can be recalled at any time. Amandla